Hello, A plus traders. I want to quickly do a trade review real quick here. It's a review on NASDAQ and NAS 100 on the 20th of August. I gave a signal on NASDAQ. Let me go to my Facebook and show with you. Okay, yeah. So this is my Facebook. This is a Facebook, and I made this video and I published it for NASDAQ. If you look at here, this was on August 20th. The projection was to sell NASDAQ. So let me play this video I made. So that is it. You know, I was projecting NASDAQ to break that trend line you see there, the trend line over there, and drop. So that was the projection on NASDAQ. Okay, you see, NASDAQ drop. So that was it. So let's see, first of all, let's look at the chart, the live chart right now, and see if price have actually moved in that direction. This is when I made the projection 20 August 20, yeah, right there, August 20. It's around there. Yes, that is the point there. So around here, this is where I projected that price will drop back to the 80.37 zone, but unfortunately price didn't just drop. The projection was for price to drop from current market price or pushed up then drop. So right now we saw a push up on the NASDAQ. That is a push up there, and we are seeing price breaking below the trend line. Last week price actually broke below the trend line, and this is some sort of price correction before the next push to the downside. But this week you don't just need to start looking for sell opportunity right there. I would love to share with you my projections before we see price dropping on the long term to 80 or 80.37 or 97.63. So I'll slide low to 4-hour time frame. So this is the 4-hour time frame. I want to do this with you so you can also see. So right now we see the impulse are dropping. Look at this. This is a massive impulse here, a heavy bearish candle. But if you compare it to these other bearish candles here, they are not the same. Sellers are actually reducing in the market. So because of that, we have a kind of ending diagonal here. You can call it the descending channel if you want, but I love the term ending diagonal, you know. So this is what is happening right here on this chart. So this is what is happening right here. So we may have a bigger ABC correction, something like this. Price have already made this bigger move, so we want to see an ABC correction, something like this. 1, 2, 3, then a drop to the downside. A drop to the downside. So that may be the bigger correction, but watch this channel carefully. Watch the breakout on this carefully. If you get the break to the upside, you can jump in on a short term by your target should be up there at the 12,400 zone. If you don't see that breakout immediately, price drops one more, tag this trend line here, you get a rejection and confirmation there, take a short term buy to the upside. So for this week I'm looking for a short term buying opportunity on NASDAQ because of this nice pattern being carved here on the 4-hour. If you go to you can further fine tune your entries by going to the 2-hour or the 1-hour time frame. So this is the 2-hour time frame here. It's 2-hour time frame here. We're still having impulse, bullish impulse coming in from there. So just watch the lower time frame, watch for this. Price drops, tag this bottom, push up again, or you see a breakout and retest, you join it to the upside. So that is my projection on NASDAQ. That is 900 for this week into next week. So watch carefully what price is going to happen around there, then join the trend. So short term or mid term bullish on NAS 100.